Good morning, everybody. This is Rick starting over. Hope you're having a good morning. There's probably nothing new under the sun, right? But here's an idea I came up with. It's probably been done before, but I thought it was pretty good. So I got these Cheerio type cereal, and what I did was I put some powdered creamer in with the cereal, and then I put water in there, and it's like a substitute for milk and a lot less sugar, and seems to work. Let me just show you. Here's the liquid. Let me not spill it here. There's the liquid. Kind of looks kind of milky, right? And let's give it a taste here. Show you what it looks like there. Good. Tastes like milk. I don't need any refrigeration. Again, it's like the Cheerio toasted oat kind of thing with creamer, low-calorie creamer, and water. And it's like cereal, just like I was a kid. Yeah, take another look. Here, you can have some. Pretty good. Like I said, it's probably been done before, but just my idea on, a meal in the morning that doesn't require refrigeration and pretty economical. Here, let me show you to you again. I'm so impressed with it. Yeah. This is Rick starting over. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. A little breakfast tip this morning. Till next time.